Is Bitcoin about to bounce all the way to $120,000 in 2025? That's the question every investor, trader, and crypto enthusiast is asking right now. And today, we're breaking it all down. From the impact of the new Bitcoin ETFs to expert price predictions and global market shifts, this could be the biggest year in Bitcoin's history. So stay till the end, because I'll also reveal my personal prediction based on real on-chain data and market cycles. Let's dive in. In early 2024, the United States approved multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs, and the market responded immediately. Billions of dollars poured into these new financial products, and Bitcoin's price soared past $70,000. But what happened next was even more important. Institutions stayed in the game. BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Invest, these are not small players. When they start holding Bitcoin in regulated ETFs, it sends a clear signal. Bitcoin is here to stay, and more importantly, it's becoming a mainstream asset. So what does that mean for the price? Let's look at the numbers. Bitcoin has historically followed 4-year cycles, with huge gains after each halving. The last halving happened in April 2024, and the next big run usually comes about 9 to 15 months later. That brings us right into late 2025, which lines up perfectly with this ETF-driven demand. Analysts from Standard Chartered and JP Morgan have issued bold forecasts. Some say Bitcoin could hit $120,000 by the end of 2025, driven by increasing demand, reduced supply, and growing global adoption. Even conservative models are now pointing to $100,000 as a strong possibility. But here's the real kicker. The ETFs are not just for Americans. These funds are opening up pathways for global investors, pension funds, family offices, and banks in Asia and Europe to get exposure to Bitcoin without needing a wallet or private keys. That's potentially trillions of dollars in capital over time. Now let's zoom in on the charts. Bitcoin recently bounced off the 60K support line with strong volume, and if it breaks 80K resistance, analysts say it could rally rapidly toward 100K and beyond. That's the power of a supply shock mixed with institutional demand. But it's not all sunshine. There are still risks. Geopolitical instability, interest rate shocks, or harsh regulation in countries like the US or India could slow down momentum. So it's crucial to stay updated and have a risk management plan. So what should you be doing now? Number 1, don't chase the hype blindly. Educate yourself. Understand the macro picture. Number 2, consider dollar cost averaging if you're entering the market. Number 3, follow ETF inflows. They're now a key signal of institutional interest. And number 4, watch Bitcoin dominance. It often signals when altcoin season is near. Now let's address the big question again. Can Bitcoin hit $120,000 by the end of 2025? Here's my take. With ETF adoption growing, global regulation improving, and the halving cycle in full swing, yes, 120K is not just possible, it's likely, unless there's a major economic shock. It may not happen in a straight line, but the path is being paved. So if you're excited about Bitcoin's future, here's what you need to do next. Smash that like button to tell the YouTube algorithm this video deserves to be seen. Subscribe to Fuchki Tube right now for daily crypto updates, trends, and predictions. Turn on the bell icon because in crypto, timing is everything. And drop a comment below. Do you believe Bitcoin can hit $120,000 in 2025? Or is it just hype? Let's talk in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.